Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to talk about how to replace just the bearings inside of a spindle. If you've got one that's making a little bit of noise, instead of having to buy everything new, is there a way to do it, with not having to take the spindle out of the unit? So stay tuned. So welcome back. My name is Eric, and we have the weekday Monday through Friday in the mornings available on podcast, and I also do these educational videos. And with this deck the other day, we did a install where I put the brand new spindles in, and I explained to you when these bolts that hold it on, they tend to get oxidized, right? And trying to get them out, most often they'll snap off. So if you're trying to take the spindle out to replace a bearing or something, it's bad news, right? Because then you're stuck trying to get the rest of the bolt out of the spindle. One way around it is by simply taking an impact and taking the bolt out of the top. And I've got this 1/2 inch. And what we're going to do is you want to kind of hold just easy. And with that, take the nut right off. See if I can get underneath it here because she's trying to turn a little. You want to hold on to the bottom. Take that off, take that off. And now you have a spacer there. But the key is now you can drop that spindle shaft right out the bottom, and you have that spacer there. Now it gives you access to the upper bearing, then you have a spacer in there, and then you have the lower bearing. So if it's simply a noisy bearing, you could buy these bearings, all right? Leave the spindle right in the machine and just take and put your bearings back in, your new bearings. And with this, you can take, we've got shafts here of where if you end up damaging the star pattern or what pattern you have on the bottom, you can also just simply take it out and just replace the shaft. But if you're going to replace the shaft, I recommend that you replace the bearings at the same time. So we don't want that to go in there cockeyed. It sets right into there. So to put it back together, like to say, you can buy the shafts, you can buy the bearings, they go in it. You can buy the bushings if the bushings wear out. You also, your pulleys, most of them have got where it sets into slots. And I've seen these strip out. And if you strip one of these out, you can replace it unless it's damaged this as well. And if it has, replace both of them. But most often the case, and I'll be totally honest with you, I keep it real, is a lot of times it's cheaper to buy the whole thing than a couple parts. By the time you figure this shaft, this top, and the bearings, I guarantee you that you could have bought the whole spindle, take your impact, and just snap the bolts and throw the new one in. Versus this way. But you can, if you got one noisy bearing on a spindle, you can replace both the bearings. And again, you just simply go the opposite direction. We got the spacer on the bottom. We're going to come right up through, just like that. You want to go over the spacer that's there. You want to put this back on. Put the belt on it to hold it. Take your nut, hit it a few times with the impact, and you're golden. So yes, you can replace the bearings without replacing the whole tower. A lot of times if somebody hits something with their blade and it starts scalping a little bit, you'll find that there's a hairline crack on one of these, spindles, the mandrels, that has got a hairline crack and it's allowing it to rock. So you want to check them as well. And I like to, in the fall with my own mowers, we take the decks right off them, is do a visual inspection, and anything that needs to be replaced, replace it. So on that note, that's how you do it. It's not that hard. Take your time. Get yourself a good workspace where you can work. You could do this with an air impact. It doesn't have to be an air. It doesn't have to be a 1/2 inch. 20 volt DeWalt. And that's one way of bringing your deck back to new without having to spend new prices, right? So on that note, you guys have a great day and thanks so much for watching.